Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 67, Application of Trigonometry, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 10-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Here there are two buildings. This is one A and this is B. B is multi-storied and we want the height of B, not of A. And it's given angle of depression, means this is horizontal and the top's depression angle is 30, bottom's is 60, right? So we have 10 over here because this height is given 10, right? And so this will be what, 10 plus h, right? Okay, now let's solve quite easy problem. See, a depression means what? If you draw a line parallel to this from 10, so what happens? This angle becomes 30 and similarly this below angle also becomes 60, right? Now let's solve this. Therefore tan 30 equals to h upon tan 30, h upon this AB. Do you know AB? No. So let's find AB. AB equals to then h upon tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So take root 3 above, h root 3, right? AB equals to h root 3. Okay. Now tan 60. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.